Hi, this is Professor William Wagner from the Great Lakes Justice Center, and we are reporting from the Spring Arbor University Faith and Freedom Center. Today on Truth Tuesday, I want to expose some of the most atrocious lies that are being perpetuated by Planned Parenthood in cooperation with the governor of the state of Michigan and the Attorney General's office, along with a number of other folks who are just misrepresenting to the people what the truth is with regard to the protection of human life and their mothers and all the things that have happened since the Supreme Court case overruled Roe. What the Supreme Court did not do, was legalize abortion. What it did do was take the issue and take the discussion and move it from an unelected court to the people and their representatives in the various states. And so when somebody tells you that lives are at risk because the Supreme Court has legalized abortion, they are lying to you. They are not telling you the truth. The second lie is that there is a right to abortion in the Michigan Constitution. Michigan put many laws into place over the years that protect life in the womb, that protect human babies while they are growing inside the mother. And these laws also are designed to protect the mother as well. And so these many laws that were passed by the people of the state of Michigan to protect the mother and the life of her unborn child are now under attack because of what happened in the United States Supreme Court. The people in Michigan, Planned Parenthood, for example, and the governor and the attorney general, they know that the framework for good governance and the rule of law now says that the people's branch of government, the legislature, now makes, the law, and the laws are already in place. The people's representatives have passed many laws protecting the unborn and protecting their mothers. And so they are now trying to get rid of all those laws by claiming that there is a right to abortion in the Michigan Constitution. The problem with that is that the Supreme Court of Michigan already has upheld the laws that are in place in Michigan as constitutional. The high courts of Michigan have specifically held that there is no constitutional right to abortion in Michigan, and or fetuside. And so these folks that want to invent a new right of infanticide or fetuside into the Constitution are now trying to bypass the people by going to judges, and these judges are acting without integrity. They have the law placed in front of them, and then they are ignoring the law and doing things like putting injunctions in place against government officials that would try and enforce the law. So the Great Lakes Justice Center, their lawyers and a dream team of other lawyers supporting us are standing and fighting against these lies. But we need your prayers. We need your support. We need you to show up at some of these court hearings. We have to somehow stop this rogue way of governing our state by saying, we're not going to use, the appropriate constitutional processes for changing the Constitution or changing the law. We are going to instead, try and bypass it and find, some, cooperating judge to do it for us. And we're going to do it by, just outright lying to the people. So the other thing that's going on is that the Planned Parenthoods out there, and other folks like them are making claims and changing claims that women's lives are, at stake here. And, for example, they're saying that that some treatments like for medical conditions would no longer, like ectopic pregnancies and miscarriages, that a woman wouldn't be able to, get treatment for something like that. That's just outrageous. And they're calling those kind of treatments abortion, and they're claiming that these kind of treatments have now been outlawed. None of this stuff is true. In fact, they didn't even, it's been reported that they didn't even used to claim that. Their websites used to at least, be truthful with regard to this stuff, but now they've changed their websites, as it's been reported in the Washington Post. So, or not the Washington Post, but the Wall Street Journal. So there are so many lies that are going on out there right now. It's time to fiercely stand for truth. It's time to fiercely stand for protecting mothers and their unborn children. And it's time to stand against rogue attempts to, find judges that are willing to disregard their oath and instead, stand up and, we need to stand up to these judges. And we need to stand up to, executive power when it's an abuse of power, and when the judicial power is being used in a way that's an abuse of power. So we need to do it peacefully. We need to do it honorably, but we need to do it with a fierceness that shows an unafraid, that we are unafraid to stand for truth, even though we're doing it with the proper through the proper means. So until next time, I challenge you to fiercely stand for truth. Do it with the heart of Jesus. Let them see Jesus in your heart. Do it honestly. Do it peacefully. Until next time, this is Professor William Wagner for the Great Lakes Justice Center, broadcasting to you from the Faith and Freedom Center at Spring Arbor University. God bless you.